Oh, health unit number. So that's the one we said before. Health unit number 2243. No purification. My phone number. What is wrong with this fucking... Oh. Not screwed in all the way. That's what's going on. Okay. I will pick up reported every. Please mail to my mailing address. Okay, we'll do the mailing address thing. Please read. Okay, for laboratory use only. We won't touch that. Water will not be tested as forms and not completely active filled. Okay, so where's the other shaded parts? I don't see it. Okay, let's take this off. Seems pretty straightforward. No evidence of fecal contamination, no, unless there's animals living there. Yeah, so I didn't need to check mark that first page. That's just stuff. Okay. So now it says remove form instructions from the bag. See instructions, blah, blah, blah. Print name on tag above. Okay. And print name, return the completed form to this bag. Wrap the bag around the bottle. Okay. What about this blue thing? I guess you wrap that back around too. Oh no, it says keep this card for your records. Oh, okay. That's my PIN number. All right. So this is all that goes back to them with their little elastic wrapped around it. Like so. I'm going to make sure that Perth Town Hall is open today. Yeah, it doesn't give addresses. It was on that paper that I lost. Actually, I might have that paper from before. All right, let's get a move on so I can keep that there. Camera, you guys. I'm pretty sure I have, well, it's Perth Town Hall, that I know. So, oh, that thing beeping away. Yeah, I think that's the paper right there, actually. Nope. That's just insurance forms and stuff. Right? Wawanesa, yeah, that's just insurance. Okay, so the slip that I need, auto insurance, and that's the old one. But I didn't leave that other paper in there. I don't know where it is. Well, we'll just wing it. That's all we can do. We'll wing it. We'll go to the computer store first. It's 10:23 now. Okay, that's the good one. Okay. I could stop in Lannert and get that paper maybe, but I don't know if I really want to do that. I remember reading it before, and I did go to Perth Town Hall before, but it was on a Friday, and it closes Thursday at 4 for the week, so I couldn't deliver the water, so the other bottle that I was using was complete garbage, so meaning you can't use it, it's already, you know, expired, so. Oh well. So we're off. Unfortunately, like Dave's RV. This guy reminds me so much of my cousin Jeff that's unfortunately very ill, living up in It's not Oregon. It's Washington State. He has cancer in the spine, and it's been a slow thing, you know, just making his life worse and worse. Anyway, my cousin Jeff was like my tightest friend of all time. Still is. We just don't talk or see each other anymore because, you know, he's over there, I'm all the way here. I won't set foot in the United States. So he'd come here, but he can't fly because of all the problems that he has with the, you know, he's in a wheelchair, and then he's got some things hooked up to him. There's like a thing that he has for intravenous morphine because it's painful what he has. So if you let him, he would do it in a minute driving here. Like, or not driving here, but flying here, or I meet him in British Columbia. But, you know, that's him going, yeah, I'll do it, but knowing he can't. So that would lead me to going there, and I don't know. I gotta go up to the firewood yard first to pick up some money that's owed to me. I'm gonna need it. Oh, he's ripping that old car apart. Fuck, that's my neighbor with all the 1970s stuff. He's got himself, it looks like another Monte Carlo. Two-door. Looks pretty much the same as what he's got. But he's stripping her. I wonder if he's selling those. Like fixing them up and selling them. He certainly has the garage for it. I don't know what his equipment's like. There we go. That's all I need to do is lose my insurance forms. That's what happened here the other day. That piece of paper that I needed flew out of the truck. It's too bad I don't see it. I think it flew out here, actually, somewhere along the road. Did you ask for a more beautiful day? Eh? Pretty much almost cloudless. Bit of haze off to the south, well, southeast. I didn't check the weather yet today to see if it changed, but it's supposed to warm up this week into the high 20 Celsius, like 25, 28 Celsius, which is rounded off at 30, 30 is 60, at 30 is 90, about 85 degrees, 88 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not humid at all. Looks like my other neighbor Gary, he lost his wife. He passed away from cancer. She passed away from cancer a few months ago, so he's probably in pretty bad shape. Bait casters. Wow, somebody from bait casters. I know the people from bait casters. When did they move there? I wonder if that's young. We'll have to go over and say good day, because oh, what's the girl's name that worked there? That must be her and her husband that moved out here. That's new. That wasn't there, so they must have moved in recently or something. This would be a nice day to go for an ATV ride. Bring you guys with me. Stick you on top of my helmet. the trailers he's got one there, and then he's got the other one there. But you know, look at the nice roof on that one. I'd like to do that with my trailer. Anyway, they did really good, you know, work modifying their trailers. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. Elon Musk might get to Mars before I get anything finished. Not that I have any plans of going to Mars. It's too bad you guys can't tell the size of this hill, but this is like one of the highest hills in the whole area. The camera doesn't give an accurate that blue jay here got himself killed. This is my neighbor John Flood. He does firewood, he does excavation, dump truck, you name it, plus they farm. Anyway, they're really good folks. Hard to get John though, I'll tell you, with his trucks and stuff, he is just booked solid all the time. And this year it's been particularly worse. Oh, he's already started cutting his hay. Look at that. First hay and it's middle of June. Well, I guess that's not that good.